Hello students, welcome to my channel Education Life, and here is the workshop video of the lesson The Necklace। एंड मैं इस वीडियो में आपको नेकलेस लेसन के पार्ट 2 के वर्कशॉप को एक्सप्लेन करूँगी। एंड मैंने नेकलेस लेसन के एक्सप्लेनेशन पर वीडियो अपलोड किया है जो आप मेरे चैनल पर जाकर देख सकते हो। एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वर्कशॉप। So here is the workshop and the first question is complete the following table. So it is something like who said to whom only. So here the first question is I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Who said it, to whom and when? Okay. So हमें बताना है कि किसने कहा है, किससे कहा है और कब कहा। ठीक है। So I will show you from this page. I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Who said this? Matleed. And to who? Monsieur Loisel. Okay. And when? When he asked whether she still had the necklace when they left the hall. Okay. Second one is, it will give us time to look for some more. Who said this? Monsieur Loisel to Matleed. And when? When he asked her to write a letter to Madame Forestier stating that the clasps of the necklace had broken and they would need some more time to mend it so they could look for the necklace. Okay. Third one is, I might have needed it. I might have needed it. It is said by Madame Forestier to Matleed. When Matleed returned the necklace to her. Okay. Fourth one is, you must have made a mistake. You must have made a mistake. It is said by Madame Forestier to Matleed. When Madame Forestier did not recognize Matleed dressed as a common woman after 10 years. Well, I lost it. Who said this? Well, I lost it. Matleed to Madame Forestier. When Matleed told Madame Forestier everything about the necklace, how she lost it and how she replaced it. Mine was an imitation. Who said this? Madame Forestier to Matleed. When Madame Forestier heard from Matleed that she had replaced her necklace with an expensive real diamond necklace. Okay, so we had completed our first question. Now we will move to the second one. That is, write what you think about the following thoughts and action of Matleed. So first one is, Matleed despaired over the loss of her necklace. So the answer is here. Lost in her carefree celebration at the party, Matleed had misplaced her friend's necklace. I think that Matleed rightly despaired over the loss of the necklace, as according to her, it was expensive and she had to return it to Madame Forestier. Second one is, Matleed wrote a note to her friend as dedicated by her husband. तो इसमें उसके थाट्स और एक्शन क्या थे आपके हिसाब से, इन योर ओपिनियन? ओके, इन माई ओपिनियन Matleed was in despair and could not think about what should be done. So she followed her husband's advice. Instead, she would have gathered courage and takes the responsibility of her mistake by telling the truth to her friend. Okay. Third one is, Matleed and her husband decided to replace the necklace. So here is the answer. Matleed and her husband decided to replace the necklace as they had failed to find the necklace. According to me, they should have spoken to Madame Forestier and take responsibility of Matleed's mistake. Now we will move to fourth one. Matleed returned the diamond necklace to her friend. Matleed returned the diamond necklace to her friend as it belonged to her and she had only borrowed it. I think Matleed did the right thing by doing so. Now we will move to fifth. And what is the fifth question? Matli did not tell her friend about the loss and replacement. Okay. I think Matlit should have told the truth to her friend in the beginning itself. Matlit should have been ready to face the consequences of her mistake. Next is Matlit worked very hard to pay the debt. So, why he worked hard? In order to pay the debt on the loans which the Loisel had taken to replace Madame Forestier's necklace, they had to face a lot of hardships. According to me, it was a brave move on Matleet's part to not give up and to work hard with her husband to repay the loans for 10 years. Matleet and her husband paid off the debt in 10 years. And how was their actions? Sorry, Matleet's action. The Loisel had taken a huge loan to pay for the diamond necklace, which could not be repaid by the minimum salary that Monsieur Loisel received. Monsieur Loisel means Matleet's husband. Thus, they had to make many compromises and had to struggle a lot for 10 years to make ends meet. Finally, after 10 years, they were able to pay off their debt. According to me, it was very honorable for the Loisel to work hard in order to clear their debts. Last is Matli told her friend about the lost necklace. So, how? Matleet saw her friend Madame Forestier and told her what had really happened with her necklace. Because finally, after 10 years, they had managed to repay the loans. In my opinion, Matleet did so to get some closure after 10 years of unspeakable hardship. It was honorable for Matleet to repay the debt and only then tell Madame Forestier about it. So, the next question is I think it's not very important, but we will do. Form pairs discuss how part 2 of the story could have different. Write your storyline in the form of bullets showing the main events. So यहाँ पर मैंने अपना कुछ पॉइंट्स लिए हैं जैसे कि पार्ट 2 स्टोरी एंड हो सकती थी या फिर पार्ट 2 जैसे होना चाहिए था. द स्टोरी इन पार्ट 2 could have been different in the following ways. So it could be like this. Monsieur Loisel goes around searching for the necklace. It is true. Come back home dejected. Matleet goes to Madame Forestier's house and confesses that she has lost her necklace. Madame Forestier tells her it was an imitation but insists on getting back its worth. She asks Matleet to pay her as much as she can save each month. Matleet returns the money in a few months. Madame Forestier, delighted by Matleet's honesty, gives her a pearl necklace. So this could be the part 2. ऐसे भी story हो सकती थी part 2 की, but it is different. Okay. Now we'll move to the fourth question. That is, imagine what must have happened after Matleet's friend discovered that the diamonds were real. Do you think she would return the necklace to Matleet? Would that make Matleet happy? So here is the answer. It is some big. It is very not much, but it is big. When Matleet's friend found out that the diamonds were real, she would have felt very bad because Matleet and her husband had to suffer and go through all the misery due to that necklace. She would somehow felt responsible of the event that had occurred. If she would have told Matleet that the diamond of her necklace were not real but fake, Matleet would have still been in a good condition. I think Madame Forestier would return the diamond necklace to Mathilde so that maybe she could sell the necklace to get her money back. Mathilde would be happy and grateful to Madame Forestier for her generosity, but she would never wear it as it would remind of her past. Okay, now we'll move to the fifth question. Discuss the following and write about each in your own words in 5 to 6 lines. So question number 1 is, what would you do if something like this happened to you? Okay, if something there like this, like Mathilde, happened to you, what you will do? If something like this happens to me, I would firstly confess my mistake to my friend. I would do my best to find the thing that I might have lost, and if I don't find it, I would apologize for being irresponsible. I will also try to replace it or pay back the money for it. Question number 2 is, what opinion do you form about Mathilde's husband from her story? So, from this story, what's your opinion about Mathilde's husband? From Mathilde's story, we came to know that her husband was a very supportive person. Even though he did not earn much, he still He still wanted to give the best to his wife and try to fulfill all her wants and needs. As we can see, he was saving the amount to buy a gun for himself, but he gave to Mathilde to buy a dress. Even after Mathilde lost her necklace, he helped Mathilde to find a new one as a replacement. For the necklace, he took multiple loans and reduced to poverty, but he did at all for his wife. So it can be said that he was a supportive and loving husband. So the last question is, which events in the story part 1 and part 2 changed Mathilde's life? So part 1 and part 2 में ऐसे कौन से events हुए जिससे कि Mathilde की life पूरी change हो गई? When Mathilde and her husband receive an invitation to a party. Second is, when she is lent a diamond necklace by her friend to wear at the party. Third is, when she loses her necklace. Fourth is, when they find a replacement and have to pay 36,000 francs for it. When they lose whatever little comfort they had in their life to repay all the loans. So we had completed our all workshop. Hope you like this. And thanks for watching. Keep learning with me. Stay home, stay safe.